Hi everyone, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy shopping with me. I'm going to take you shopping at the IKEA store in Carson. They have a very unique design and we're going to stop at every floor, so sit back and relax and enjoy shopping with me. Starting out in the living room area, they have a large selection of couches. They are great for first-time apartments, college students, kids' rooms, and any room you're looking to make over or just need one piece to add. The prices are great, but the furniture needs to be assembled, and having a few IKEA items, I can say, as long as you put together correctly, that means no extra parts left over at the end. The furniture will last a long time. I love this little outdoor dining set. It's perfect for a small patio or even for a kid's dorm room. All of the items that you see for the appliances throughout the video can be purchased at IKEA. While checking out the showrooms, all of the accessories can be found on the lower levels for purchase. As you can see, IKEA is working with very small spaces, and this one is put together very well, and it's great for a dorm room or a kid's room. Check out the extra storage in this couch. A lot of the couches have extra features, so make sure to check it out. Now this couch is clever. I love it because it's got the train set that goes right under the couch. Now, IKEA does have a good selection of pull-out beds, and they do come in handy when you have a guest coming over and you don't have an extra room. They do have a great selection of chairs in all shapes, sizes, and colors. IKEA is also a great place to get good ideas for small spaces. I love this room for a teenager. It's so cute. Here's a couple rooms, totally different for young boys. Love this gray and white simple style for a young man. Now, of course, the artwork on the back wall doesn't come with this room, but it does give you ideas of what you can do to dress up a boy's room. Now, moving on for something for mom and dad, I just love the boho style. Now, IKEA does have a lot of bedding choices, and what I love is that you can find it all downstairs. So whatever you find on the showroom, you're going to find it downstairs to purchase, and you can get it right on the spot. Moving on to the kitchen area, which is my favorite part. I love it because, like I said, everything that you can find in their showroom, they have downstairs for purchase. So a lot of this stuff is great when you get downstairs and you can just go shopping for everything that you saw in the design department. Check out the pillow section. They have every color you can think of for every style. Lamps are one thing that are always overlooked, and they are a great accessory. And IKEA has a great selection of lamps. Check it out. They also have a good selection of outdoor lights. My favorite are the dragonflies. With spring just around the corner, my favorite are the lanterns, and a lot of them are on sale, so you got to check them out and make sure to get the candles to go with them. And don't forget to check out the artwork. They always have a great selection, and of course, my favorites are the tropical settings. Thanks for shopping with me at IKEA. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and make sure to give me a comment and tell me what your favorite items are.